Hey guys, it's Vera from Rudy Visuals, and in today's video we're gonna just do a quick unboxing of a new camera. So it just arrived in the post today, and it is the 60 Mark II. Alright, so let's get it out of this cardboard box so we can have a closer look at it. Oops. Throw everything away. Alright, so the box is pretty heavy, like surprisingly heavy. So this version of the 60 Mark II comes with the kit lens, which is the 24-105 SCM lens. Let's open it. Okay. So first thing you get at the top is a little warranty. Then we have the power cable, a little the manuals, all the non-exciting stuff, and then in this little compartment here we have, oh, we've got the lens. No, it's not the lens, it's the camera. Okay, so here it is, wrapped in this plastic thing. Is the 60 Mark II. Right off the bat, it looks exactly the same like the ATD. There's very few differences. You get the tilty flippy screen, which is really nice, but the overall build quality seems a little bit nicer, and it's just has a nicer finish. So the 60 is a bit bigger than the ATD, and the grip is it feels a bit like sturdier, I would say. Next up, we have in this box here, I assume that would be the lens. I thought the camera was gonna be in there. Throw this out. So in here we just have the camera strap, the an alternative power cable for the charger. In here we have the charger and the battery. So the charger and the battery are exactly the same as for the ATD and the 5D Mark IV, which is quite handy because we can always take the battery from the other camera if we're not using it. Now it's time to look at the lens. So here is the kit lens. It's the 24-105 f3.5 to 5.6. And it has IS and it's a STM lens. So if you have full frame lenses already, then it's probably not worth getting the kit lens. You can just save some money and just buy the body. But if you don't have a lot of full frame lenses, then this is a good starting point because this lens does cover a wide variety of focal lengths. So let's attach the lens to the camera. There we go. So here's the camera of the lens. The weight of it is quite reasonable. It's about the same weight as the ATD. So the reason why we decided to buy this camera is because it's a bit better than the ATD in terms of the low light performance, and you can get a lot of a shallow depth of field on it too. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend it as an upgrade to the ATD, but we just mainly got it more of as a complementary camera because there's two of us. And yeah, we're gonna mainly use this camera for stills. And because of the tilty flippy screen, you can still get some vlogging on it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Watch out for the next few weeks because we're definitely gonna make some more videos about this camera and maybe some comparisons to the ATD. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, it really does help us. And we also have a Facebook page and Instagram if you would like to follow us there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna charge this up and then head out to see what I can do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!